Today we'll talk about how can you change your nickname on your family album app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on settings down here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you come here to, so you just get here to family member here, members. You click here on your name here. So then here in this list, you come here to nickname, and here can you change your name in this list here on your app. When you down click here on down, then it's going to down with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.